Hello class 8. This is the second video of the chapter sentences and phrases. So in the last video we have done exercise B. So now we will do exercise C. So before that I want you all to read this definition. The complement. When the verb in the predicate is an intransitive verb. प्रेडिकेट पार्ट मतलब सब्जेक्ट को छोड़ के जो भी है उसमें अगर वर्ब इंट्रांजिटिव है. इंट्रांजिटिव आर दोज वर्ब्स विच डू नॉट हैव एन ऑब्जेक्ट, जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. ठीक है, बस वो वर्ब तक ही है. ओके. एंड इट रिक्वायर्स एन एडिशनल वर्ड. एक एडिशनल वर्ड चाहिए होगा तब जाके सेंटेंस की मीनिंग कंप्लीट होगी. ठीक है. सो दोज आर कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ओके. सो the word or group of words required to complete the predicate is called a complement. ठीक है. So you can see this exercise C now. Circle the complement if any in the following sentence. So you have to see that is there any complement or not. ठीक है. So Juhi acted well. So well is the complement. Okay. Then in the second one you can see the man seems tired. Tired is your complement. Mrs. Sharma is very ill. Very ill is your complement. Then she looks beautiful. Beautiful is your complement. In the fifth one you don't have. In sixth one Ram is a polite child. So polite child is your complement. Okay. So these are complement in this C part. Okay. I hope it is visible to you all. Okay. So that was it in that object and complement part. Next is your types of sentences. So sentences are divided into four parts. You know that declarative, and in declarative or assertive there are two parts. There affirmative and negative. Okay. Declarative means when you are declaring something or you are giving any normal statement. ठीक है. एंड वो नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट अगर पॉजिटिव में है देन इट विल बी अफर्मेटिव, एंड अगर नेगेटिव में है इट मीन्स नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव में मतलब अगर नॉट आ जाएगा, डिड नॉट, नॉट, नेवर, ये सारे वर्ड्स आ जाएंगे, इट विल बी अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. बट इट इज़ एन डिक्लेरेटिव और असर्टिव. ओके. देन इज योर इंट्रोगेटिव. इंट्रोगेटिव यू ऑल नो, क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. व्हेन वी आस्क क्वेश्चन देन इट इज़ अ इंट्रोगेटिव एंड इट एंड्स विथ क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. देन इज योर इम्पेरेटिव. इम्पेरेटिव में क्या होता है? यू गिव कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट, एडवाइस, सजेशंस. ओके. दीज ऑल थिंग यू गिव, लाइक don't enter to my class, it's a command. Okay. Then go out, it's a command. Then you can see this example, please don't call me, it's a request. Then please pass me the sugar, it's a request. Then take your medicines daily, it's an advice. Okay. So all these things will come in your imperative and it also ends with full stop. Then is your exclamatory. Exclamatory when you are showing strong feelings. ठीक है. स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स जब शो करना है सो वील यूज एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क, एंड दैट विल बी योर एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस लाइक व्हाट अ ब्यूटिफुल साइट, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल यू लुक, all this way. Okay. I hope this much is clear. You have already been doing these types of sentences in previous classes also. Okay. So you can see this exercise D. What you have to do here, you have to tick the correct option to identify the given sentence. Then you have to add punctuation mark according at the end. Punctuation marks are not given. ठीक है. So punctuation marks add करना भी रहेगा. So you can see the first one, how beautiful is the day. So this is an example of exclamatory. Exclamatory का है ना, you are showing strong feeling. So how beautiful is the day, and then exclamation mark. Okay. Then Sachin is a great cricketer. असर्टिव है, और यहाँ पे असर्टिव तो लिखा है तो डिक्लेरेटिव हो गया. ठीक है. असर्टिव एंड डिक्लेरेटिव आर बोथ सेम. ओके. सो सचिन इज़ अ ग्रेट क्रिकेटर, और डिक्लेरेटिव में भी ये कौन सा है? अफर्मेटिव है, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है. ठीक है. देन व्हाट ऑन अर्थ आर यू डूइंग, ठीक है, दिस इज एन एक्सक्लेमेशन, क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं है, ये एक फीलिंग है, मतलब क्या कर रहे हो तुम इस दुनिया में, ये है क्या कर रहे हो इस दुनिया में, बोथ आर डिफरेंट थिंग. ओके, सो इट्स एन exclamatory sentence, so put a exclamation mark. I cannot believe him to be the murderer, it's a declarative, declare कर रहे हैं, we are declaring something, we are telling something, ठीक है, and there will be a full stop. Okay, then fifth is do you want coffee, it's a question mark, here you have to put question mark, we are asking something, so in an interrogative. Cats catch mice, declarate, normal हम declare कर रहे हैं कुछ, there's a declarative sentence and put a full stop. Then elephants have a good memory, declarative, full stop put करना है, ठीक है. What a beautiful view of the mountain, it's an exclamatory, put a exclamation mark. I hope this much is clear. Okay, so let's come to the next part, that is phrases. So what are phrases? Phrases, it's made up of group of words that make sense but not complete sense, ठीक है, सेंस होगा, ठीक है, बट कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं होगा, ठीक है. दैट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेंटेंस एंड फ्रेज, दैट बोथ आर मेड अप ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स, बट सेंटेंस मेक सेंस बट दिस डज नॉट मेक सेंस. बट ऐसा भी नहीं कि डमी सेंसलेस है, इट विल हैव समथिंग बट नॉट कंप्लीट सेंस. ओके, एंड इट डज नॉट हैव अ सब्जेक्ट एंड अ प्रेडिकेट, सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट नहीं होता है, ठीक है. So you can see this example, my friend is a good football player. In the example, the two group of words, my friend and a good football player, are phrases. Though they convey some meaning, but they do not make complete sense by themselves. अगर हम इन्हें अलग अलग लिखें, like my friend, ठीक है, my friend it is making some sense, हाँ कुछ friend के बारे में बात होगी, ठीक है, but it's not making complete sense, ठीक है. So in this way is your phrases. So here are some examples given, like in spite of, in a corner, pink in color, at the shop. So these are a group of words that is making some sense. Okay, it's not like that they will make no sense, okay. So then there are three type of phrases: noun phrase, adjective phrase and adverb phrase. Okay, so what happens in this noun phrase? A noun phrase is one that acts as a noun in a sentence. Noun की तरह act करता है, ठीक है. Noun क्या होते हैं? Naming words, ठीक है. So if we ask what did he expect, this example you can see he expected to reach home early. So now if we ask what did he expect, the answer we get is to reach home early. This group of word act as a noun. It does not have a finite verb, so it is a noun phrase, ठीक है. It also does not have a finite verb, ठीक. So you can see this example, he wanted to learn Sanskrit. What he wanted to do? Wanted to learn Sanskrit, ठीक है. And there should be no finite verb नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है. Wanting, can you count wanted and all these things? No, you cannot count all these things, okay. So now you can see exercise E, underline the noun phrase. She hopes to win the first prize. What she is hoping? To win the first prize. So this to win the first prize is your noun phrase. In the second, to confess one's guilt is difficult. To confess one's guilt is noun phrase. I saw the big crowd. क्या देखा? The big crowd. So the big crowd is noun phrase. Then fourth is, can you read the printed matter? The printed matter is your noun phrase. Okay. Don't worry for these things if you don't get it. We'll do it again later. Okay, so don't get panic, but try to get. Okay. Then is your adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that act as an adjective in a sentence. Adjective की तरह करेगा, ठीक है. So what does an adjective do? It describes a noun. Noun को describe करने को ही adjective कहते हैं, ठीक है. Then flowers with good fragrance have been used for decoration. So flower के बारे में हम क्या कह रहे हैं? What we are describing with good fragrance, ठीक है। रोहन के बारे में हम क्या बता रहे हैं, रोहन नाउन है, रोहन के बारे में क्या कह रहे हैं, अ बॉय विथ करेज, ठीक है, अ बॉय विथ करेज, ठीक। सो अ बॉय विथ करेज इज योर फ्रेज. Okay, now what you have to do in exercise F, underline the adjective phrases and circle the noun they modify. Like the girl in the pink dress is known to me. So the girl is the noun, तो उसे circle कर लो. And in the pink dress, girl के बारे में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं in the pink dress, ठीक है. So that is your adjective. Then second one, the watchman on the duty that day tried to stop the thief from entering the building. So noun is the watchman, ठीक है. उसके बारे में हम क्या कह रहे हैं, ऑन ड्यूटी दैट डे. सो दैट इज योर एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज. ओके. देन यू कैन सी द थर्ड वन, द प्लेयर फ्रॉम राजस्थान फेल्ड टू लिव अप टू आवर एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो इन दिस नाउन इज व्हाट, द प्लेयर. सो प्लेयर के बारे में हमने क्या कहा, फ्रॉम राजस्थान, दैट इज द एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज. देन फोर्थ, द फ्रूट्स फ्रॉम अ गार्डन आर फ्रेश एंड टेस्टी. सो नाउन इज द फ्रूट्स, एंड फ्रूट्स के बारे में क्या बता रहे हैं, फ्रॉम आवर गार्डन, ठीक है. सो दैट इज योर एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज. ओके. देन इज योर एडवर्ब फ्रेज. सो अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड दैट परफॉर्म द फंक्शन ऑफ अ एडवर्ब in an sentence is called an adverb phrase. So adverb means that modifies a verb, जो verb को और क्लियरली बताता है, उसे मॉडिफाई कर देता है और उसके बारे में ज़्यादा एड मीनिंग करता है, ठीक है. एड वर्ब, adds meaning to a verb, ठीक है. So that is what is it. Then adverbs phrases of manner, ठीक है. If we have to tell how the action is done, then it will be a manner. Then adverb of place, where is the action done, place, and when is the action done, it will be place of adverb phrases of time. Okay. So now you can see the G1, identify the adverb phrase, its type, and circle the verb it modify, ठीक है. So in the first one you can see adverb, you can see the verb took is the verb, so circle that. Then उसके बारे में हम क्या कर, किस तरह से किया, in a generous manner, ठीक है. तो in a generous manner is your adverb phrases and its manner, so it's actually a adverb phrase of manner, ठीक है. Then second one, what is the verb, supported, ठीक है. कैसे सपोर्ट किया, with all my heart, ठीक है. सो with all my heart is your adverb phrase and it is also a manner. Okay. Then third one, to play. So to play is your verb, circle it, and every evening, ठीक है. to play every evening is your adverb phrase and it is every evening, ये time हो गया, it will be time. Then used to is our verb, circle that, and in those days, used to keep longer कब करते थे, in those days. So in those days is your adverb phrase and it is an example of time. Time है, you those days, time. Okay. I hope this much is clear. Then in H1 what you have to do, you have to circle the phrase and you have to identify whether they are adjective, adverb or noun phrase. Okay. So in the first one you can see I looked for the pen in every possible place. So in every possible place, place के बारे में है, ठीक, क्या है, adverb, और वो भी adverb of place. You just write adv for adverb. Okay. The second one, the match will be held in this park. Park place है, so again this park is adverb. Okay. Then the carpet is made in India. Carpet की क्या बारे में हमने बताया कि is made in India. So made in India is phrase and it's an adjective. Adjective है विशेषता जिसे कहते हैं. Okay. Then I love to read comics book. So this is noun. Okay. Then fifth one, she is girl of 5 years. Of 5 years. This is adjective. उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं. ठीक. Then sixth, the car moved at great speed. Great speed, adverb. ठीक है. Then we found him in the living room. Place, in the living room, place है, adverb of place. ठीक है. Then the lady with golden hair. So हम फिर lady के बारे में कुछ बता रहे हैं. It's an adjective. So with golden hair is adjective. Then my friend from Dubai. So from Dubai is again phrase, it's a adjective. ठीक. Then 10th is the book with illustration is expensive. So with illustration and it's an adjective. Okay. So you just have to think a little bit and you have to keep in your mind the definitions of adjective and adverb and noun. If that is clear to you, you'll be able to find it out. Okay, just read it once and see if you are able to understand it or not. Okay, and again this remember part is given here. You have to remember all these things that is given in this chapter, and the next chapter is noun. We will do that in our next video. Okay, till then, bye and take care.